So here we got Lincoln. Hey, big boy. Did you get your toys yet? Got toys in there? Hi, big boy. Can you give you a head scratch? Give you a head scratch. Got a pet under your wings? Ooh, let me see. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Can you step up for me? Thank you. Do you want to go in here? Can you show me how you like your new cage? You like your new cage? You got things with toys? Alright. You want to come back out? Good boy. You come back up here? Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. I don't think so. You go back over there, Missy, till we can have a proper introduction. Oh, we should bring one of those lights. We should bring one of your lights over here for Lincoln. You gonna share one of your lights with Lincoln? You gonna share one of your lights with Lincoln? Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Okay, let's see. Hi. Come on, step up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're a good boy. Can I give you a head scratch? Ooh, feels so good. Ooh. Ooh, feels so good. You want to forage a little bit? You want to forage? You want to forage? There you go. You want to look for some good seed, huh? How about this? Oh, that's just a shell. Oh, did you find something? Ooh. You're a good boy, Lincoln. You're a good boy. Yeah. Hey, you wanna go back up here? Want some water? Want some water? Good boy, Lincoln. Yeah. Whoa! What are you doing over there? You're not allowed up there. What do you think you're doing? You're showing off in front of the new guy. Are you showing off in front of the new guy? Oh, you want daddy? You want shoulder? Come on, shoulder. Alright. Now at the rescue I have a hard time getting him off my shoulder. Let's see if I can get him off my shoulder without nipping me. Come on, step up. There you go. Step up. Good boy. There you go. See, he just doesn't want to go back in his cage when he's at the rescue because he gets locked in there. He wants to be out. Lincoln is a bird that is looking for someone to love. He's begging to love somebody. He's a great companion bird. We're going to try and find somebody for Lincoln. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, or even if you have other birds or other animals. He's not aggressive towards other birds. He used to be caged with other birds, but he needs attention. He needs a shoulder that he can call his own for at least an hour or two a day. His wings are clipped. I'll see how he does on his play top, unattended for 10-15 minutes at a time, and see how that goes. He should be okay. What? I don't think so. Interesting. 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 Phoebe. You want to come over and say hi? Whoa. Okay. So you want to meet this guy, huh? Doesn't look like he wants to meet you, Phoebes. Come here. You want to hang out on his cage for a while? We got to find somebody for Lincoln. Oh, Lincoln is preening my ear right now. Huh? Yeah. Can you give me a kiss? Good bird. Ow, it tickles. You tickles. You tickles. Hey, the tickles. Hey, the tickles. So if you think that you're a good match for Lincoln, email me. I love you, big boy.